Let's begin. Welcome to our video on the art of making gourmet popcorn at home. Popcorn is a timeless snack loved by people of all ages. But with just a few extra ingredients, you can take your popcorn to the next level and create a gourmet snack that will impress even the most discerning of palates. In this video, we will show you how to make 3 different types of gourmet popcorn from the comfort of your own home. To start, you will need some high-quality popcorn kernels. We recommend using organic kernels for the best taste. Next, add some oil to a pot and heat it up over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add your popcorn kernels to the pot and cover it with a lid. Shake the pot occasionally to prevent burning. Once the popping has slowed down, remove the pot from the heat and pour the popcorn into a large bowl. For our first gourmet popcorn recipe, we will be adding truffle oil and parmesan cheese to the popcorn. Drizzle the truffle oil over the popcorn and then sprinkle the parmesan cheese on top. Toss the popcorn to make sure it's evenly coated. For our second gourmet popcorn recipe, we will be adding honey and sea salt to the popcorn. Drizzle the honey over the popcorn and then sprinkle the sea salt on top. Toss the popcorn to make sure it's evenly coated. For our final gourmet popcorn recipe, we will be adding chocolate and peanut butter to the popcorn. Melt some chocolate and peanut butter together in a bowl and then drizzle it over the popcorn. Toss the popcorn to make sure it's evenly coated. And there you have it, 3 different types of gourmet popcorn that you can easily make at home. Whether you're looking for a savory snack or a sweet treat, these recipes are sure to impress. Thanks for watching.